Root cause analysis, RCA, is a systematic process for identifying the underlying causes of problems or issues within an organization. Rather than focusing on symptoms, RCA seeks to uncover the root causes of an issue to prevent recurrence. It is a key tool in problem-solving and continuous improvement initiatives across industries, helping to improve processes, reduce costs, and enhance quality. What is root cause analysis, RCA? Root cause analysis is a methodical approach used to identify the primary causes of a problem or failure. Instead of merely addressing the symptoms of an issue, RCA focuses on uncovering the fundamental causes to implement long-term solutions. It is often used in problem-solving processes, quality improvement initiatives, and corrective actions within businesses and industries. Core components of RCA. Problem identification, recognizing that an issue exists and understanding the extent of its impact. Data collection, gathering relevant information and evidence to help pinpoint the causes of the problem. Analysis, using various tools and techniques like 5 whys, Fishbone diagram, fault tree analysis, to investigate and identify the root causes. Corrective actions, developing and implementing strategies to eliminate or mitigate the root causes. Follow-up, ensuring that the corrective actions are effective. Who is involved in root cause analysis, RCA? RCA typically involves multiple stakeholders within an organization, depending on the nature of the issue and the department or team responsible for resolving it. Problem solver, lead investigator. This person, often a manager, engineer, or quality professional, leads the RCA process, organizing the investigation and analysis. Team members. A cross-functional team may be involved in RCA to gather different perspectives, expertise, and knowledge. This could include employees from production, engineering, quality, maintenance, or safety departments. Subject matter experts. In some cases, external or internal experts with specialized knowledge may be called in to provide insights during the RCA process. Leadership. Management and senior leadership may be involved in setting the direction for the RCA, especially if the issue is significant or affects the business's performance. When is root cause analysis, RCA, applied? RCA is typically applied when a problem arises that cannot be resolved by simple fixes or when recurring issues persist. Some common scenarios for applying RCA include: after a failure or defect. RCA is often triggered after a failure in equipment, production, or a product defect that impacts quality, customer satisfaction, or operations. When problems recur. If issues keep happening despite previous corrective actions, RCA is applied to dig deeper into the root cause and prevent future occurrences. During process improvements, organizations may use RCA as part of ongoing continuous improvement efforts to identify inefficiencies or areas for enhancement. Future risks and improve workplace safety. In audit findings, if audits reveal recurring issues, RCA can be used to identify the underlying causes and improve processes. Where is root cause analysis, RCA, used? In manufacturing, RCA is used to identify the causes of equipment breakdowns, production delays, defects in products, or inefficiencies in the production process. RCA is used in healthcare to investigate patient safety incidents, medication errors, or system failures to ensure better patient care and prevent future mistakes. In the service industry, RCA helps to resolve issues related to customer complaints, service delays, or inefficiencies in the service delivery process. RCA is widely used in engineering and product design to identify failure modes in products or systems and implement improvements. In IT, RCA is applied to investigate system failures, software bugs, or security incidents, helping to improve system reliability and reduce downtime. In construction, RCA is used to identify the root causes of safety accidents, delays, or quality issues, ensuring better project management and risk mitigation. Why is root cause analysis important? By identifying and addressing root causes, RCA helps develop solutions that prevent the problem from reoccurring, leading to long-term improvements. Effective RCA can lead to reduced operational costs by eliminating recurring issues and the need for frequent repairs or rework. It helps improve product and service quality by systematically identifying and addressing underlying issues that cause defects or failures. In industries like healthcare and manufacturing, it plays a critical role in identifying safety hazards and preventing accidents. RCA supports a culture of continuous improvement by enabling organizations to learn from past problems and apply those lessons to future processes and operations. By addressing root causes of defects, delays, or complaints, it can help improve customer experience and satisfaction, building trust and loyalty. How is root cause analysis, RCA, performed? 1. Define the problem. Clearly define the issue at hand, including its scope, impact, and symptoms. 2. Collect data. Gather all relevant data, including records, reports, and observations. 3. Analyze the problem. Use RCA tools to analyze the problem systematically. 5 whys, Fishbone diagram, failure mode and effect analysis, fault tree analysis. 4. Identify the root cause. Based on the analysis, determine the underlying causes of the issue. 5. Develop solutions. Once the root cause is identified, develop corrective actions or improvements to address the root cause effectively. 6. Implement corrective actions. Put the solutions into practice, ensuring that they are feasible, sustainable, and that they address the root cause. 7. Monitor and verify. After implementing corrective actions, monitor the situation. In conclusion, root cause analysis is a critical problem-solving tool that helps organizations identify the fundamental causes of issues, allowing for the implementation of long-term solutions. Whether in manufacturing, healthcare, engineering, or service industries, RCA provides a structured and systematic approach to improving processes, reducing costs, and enhancing quality. By addressing the root causes rather than just the symptoms, organizations can make informed decisions that drive continuous improvement and long-term success.
This quiz is designed to evaluate your commitment and readiness to learn more about root cause analysis, RCA. By answering these questions, you can assess your current knowledge and interest in mastering RCA principles and techniques. Be honest in your answers to gain a clear understanding of where you stand. 1. How familiar are you with the concept of root cause analysis? A. I've never heard of RCA before. B. I've heard the term but don't fully understand what it entails. C. I have a basic understanding of RCA, but I haven't explored it in depth. D. I am quite familiar with RCA and its techniques and am actively learning more. 2. How do you typically approach problem solving in your work or personal life? A. I usually fix the immediate issue without addressing any underlying causes. B. I tend to address the symptoms but haven't fully explored the root causes of problems. C. I try to identify the cause of problems but haven't used any structured methods for analysis. D. I always aim to identify the root causes of issues, using structured approaches like RCA. 3. How important do you think it is to find the root cause of a problem rather than just fixing the symptoms? A. I don't think it's necessary. Fixing the symptoms is enough. B. I believe identifying root causes is important, but it can be time-consuming and isn't always practical. C. I see the value in identifying root causes, but I'm still learning how to effectively do it. D. I am convinced that addressing root causes is essential for long-term problem resolution and continuous improvement. 4. Have you ever used tools or methods like the 5 whys, Fishbone diagram, or fault tree analysis in your work? A. No, I've never used these tools or methods. B. I've heard of these tools but haven't used them myself. C. I've used some of these tools occasionally but haven't fully implemented them in my processes. D. I actively use these tools and methods to analyze problems and identify root causes. 5. How often do you reflect on or analyze problems to ensure that the root causes are addressed? A. I rarely reflect on problems or analyze them deeply. B. I occasionally analyze problems but usually focus on resolving them quickly. C. I often analyze problems and look for root causes, but I haven't yet mastered structured RCA techniques. D. I always focus on identifying and addressing the root causes of problems to ensure they don't recur. 6. How willing are you to invest time in learning new problem-solving techniques like root cause analysis, RCA? A. I'm not sure I have the time or resources to learn RCA. B. I'm open to learning RCA if it directly helps me in my job or life. C. I'm motivated to learn RCA and improve my problem-solving skills. D. I am fully committed to learning and mastering RCA techniques to improve my problem-solving abilities. 7. When faced with a recurring problem, how do you typically respond? A. I fix the problem each time it occurs, without trying to understand why it's happening. B. I try to fix the recurring issue, but I don't investigate the root causes. C. I analyze the problem when it recurs, but I haven't yet fully applied RCA techniques to prevent it from happening again. D. I consistently perform a thorough root cause analysis to prevent the problem from recurring in the future. 8. Have you participated in any formal training or workshops related to root cause analysis? A. No, I haven't participated in any RCA training. B. I've heard about RCA training, but I haven't participated in any formal sessions. C. I've attended some RCA workshops or courses, but I still have a lot to learn. D. I've taken formal training in RCA and continue to seek out additional learning opportunities. 9. How do you feel about applying RCA techniques to improve the processes or outcomes in your organization or personal projects? A. I'm not sure RCA techniques would be helpful in my work or projects. B. I see some potential value in RCA but haven't yet found a need to apply it. C. I believe RCA could help improve processes, and I'm eager to start applying it. D. I'm already applying RCA techniques and am committed to continuously improving the processes in my work or projects. 10. How confident are you in your ability to identify and solve problems at their root cause? A. I'm not confident in my ability to identify root causes of problems. B. I'm somewhat confident, but I don't have a structured approach to problem solving. C. I'm confident in my ability to identify root causes, though I'm still improving my techniques. D. I am highly confident in my ability to perform root cause analysis and solve problems at their root cause. Scoring guide. Mostly A's. Low commitment. You're just starting to learn about root cause analysis and may not yet fully understand its benefits. Mostly B's. Moderate commitment. You understand the concept of RCA but haven't fully committed to applying it. Consider taking formal training or learning more about structured problem-solving tools. Mostly C's. High commitment. You have a strong interest in learning and applying RCA techniques to improve problem-solving. With further practice and experience, you are well on your way to mastering RCA. Mostly D's. Very high commitment. You are highly dedicated to learning and applying root cause analysis. You actively use RCA techniques and are committed to continuously improving your problem-solving abilities. Keep up the great work and continue seeking out opportunities for deeper learning. Next steps. By completing this quiz, you've gained insight into your current commitment level to learning about root cause analysis. Based on your results, consider setting a goal to explore it in more depth. Whether you're new to it or have experience with it, identifying areas for improvement can help you better contribute to process improvement and organizational success. Send your score to the email listed in the comments section and become part of our ecosystem for further future developments.